A 30-year-old man was on a boat, enjoying a sea ride with his 5-year-old son. The child was very happy, and while playing, he suddenly fell into the water. As soon as the father saw him fall, he panicked and rushed to the edge of the boat. The people on the boat watched in shock. Without wasting a second, the father jumped into the sea. Just then, a huge shark appeared and took the boy in its mouth. But the father didn't give up. Showing great courage, he forced open the shark's mouth and pulled his son out. The father and son returned to the boat, soaked but safe. Everyone on the boat clapped for them. The father's bravery and his love for his son amazed everyone.